Are you an e-learning professional looking to showcase your skills and expertise to potential clients or employers? A strong e-learning portfolio can be the key to standing out in a competitive field. But where do you start? Hello and welcome to Wizcabin. In this video, we'll give you a practical guide on how to build an effective e-learning portfolio that will impress and land you more opportunities. First, decide on what to include in your portfolio. You'll want to showcase your best work, so choose projects that demonstrate your skills and experience. Think about the types of projects you want to work on in the future. For example, if you're interested in creating interactive simulations, choose examples of your work that showcase your skills in that area. You'll want to include projects that demonstrate your expertise and experience, but also highlight your versatility and ability to take on new challenges. For instance, if you have experience designing and developing courses for a variety of industries, include samples that demonstrate your ability to work with different subject matters and audiences. Overall, your e-learning portfolio should reflect your strengths and the types of projects you're most passionate about. Creating a website or online platform to showcase your e-learning portfolio is an essential step in establishing your online presence and building your professional reputation. It allows you to present your e-learning projects and skills to potential clients and employers in an organized and visually appealing way. When building your online platform, choose a user-friendly theme, high-quality images, and provide a brief summary of your experience and skills. Include a call to action that encourages potential clients to contact you. By presenting your work in a professional and engaging way, you can increase your chances of landing new e-learning opportunities. Organizing your e-learning portfolio is like creating a roadmap for potential clients or employers to follow. Think of organizing your e-learning portfolio like creating a menu for a restaurant. Just as a menu is organized by appetizers, entrees, and desserts, your e-learning portfolio can be organized by the different types of e-learning projects you have worked on. This allows potential clients or employers to quickly find the type of e-learning solution they are looking for and see your range of experience. Adding brief descriptions or annotations for each project is like including a short description of each menu item, highlighting the unique features and benefits. Final step is to promote it to potential clients and employers. Here are some ways you can effectively promote your e-learning portfolio. Share it on social media. Network with industry professionals. Include it on your resume or LinkedIn profile. Reach out to potential clients directly. In conclusion, building an effective e-learning portfolio is an essential step towards establishing yourself as a skilled e-learning professional. By creating a well-organized and visually appealing portfolio, you can showcase your knowledge, skills, and expertise to potential clients and employers. Remember that your portfolio should reflect your unique abilities and should demonstrate your creativity, attention to detail, and commitment to excellence. It's also important to keep your portfolio up to date with your latest work and achievements to show that you are continually growing and evolving in your career. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to like and share the video. Your support helps us create more content for you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.